do it forward. Okay. All right. So let's stop here. I'm going to stop sharing. And I would like you to go into your breakout rooms, but let me get out of here. And I want to put up your rooms again real quick so that you can remember what team you're on. Okay. So we started out this class by sharing that I've put you guys all onto teams. So remember what team you're on. So I've given you company assignments, and I just want to do a quick check-in with all the teams. And we will be working on, your first part of this project will be to get your individual financial statements. Do not share them. This is an individual assignment. Okay. So make a note, if you're in team 1, just remember you're in team 1, because I'm just going to put the breakout rooms up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're in General Motors and Tesla group, you're in team 2, etc. Okay. Does anybody need more time to find what team they're on? Okay. All right. So let's go to units and modules. You know what? I did put that up. Okay, so we're going to look at obtain your financial statements for your 2 companies. I'm going to walk you through a little bit of that. I'm going to make a little video, and then you can use that. There's really no difference from what we did last time, but here's the instructions. So let's put these up and take a look at them really, really quickly. Company analysis, financial project. Okay, financial statement project. All right, learning objectives. And I picked your companies, so you're done with this part of the assignment. You've picked your teams. I have picked them. You have been voluntold on what team you're on. Okay, so we have a lot of time here where it's not due right away. You will individually go out and get your financial statements for both of your 2 companies. You'll cut and paste it into a Word document, and you will upload it for this part of the assignment. Okay, so you will get the most current statements for your company. You will get an income statement from that annual report. You will get a balance sheet from that annual report. And then you'll go and get the previous year's annual report and get a balance sheet. Then you'll go and get a previous year's back balance sheet. So we have 3 different annual reports, balance sheets. For the current year, you'll also get the cash flow and the stockholders' equity statement. So for each company, you're going to get 6 statements times 2 companies. That'll be 12 statements. Okay. All right. Some's asking, can we combine the 3 years for the balance sheet into one chart? You can for the final project, but for this piece, just put it into the, just give me the statement. And then when you do your final paper, you can throw it into one. Okay. All right. So why am I asking you guys to do this? Because this is for the first part of the project, the financial statement paper. So you need all that information to get ratios and to do trend analysis, all of that. Okay. All right. And then after your team meets and after you've gotten your statements, you're going to make a project plan, a contract. And I've put every piece of the project in here. And then you're going to take all these example names off and put your own names in. You're going to individually give me a status report. So this should feel pretty similar to the other project. And then here's the paper that only focuses on financial statement. It's got a lot more than last quarter, but you'll be faster this time. A lot more spreadsheets. And then you'll do some writing about the trends. You'll pick which company's a better investment, and you'll upload the paper with the attachments. Then you'll do a second piece of this project, which is the business model analysis. And I've added a couple other questions. I've added analyze 5 years of stock value for the company. Okay, so we'll go into more of this later. All right, I just wanted to get a really quick overview. So you guys have some questions. Will it be similar to the statement format? Yeah, you're going to want to try and get each statement on one page, JR. So it looks good. So when you get to here, go back up. there is an incredible step-by-step instruction. Please refer to how to access financial statements on the SEC. So if you look at this assignment, it's right here, how to access financial statements from the SEC. Oh, failed to get it. Great. Okay, let's go get it from the other source for now. And then I'll fix that link. And it just walks you through step by step. Go to SEC, click on company filings and so forth. And then your statements should look like this: income statement, balance sheet, and so forth, cash flow, like that. Okay. All right. So go into your teams very briefly. I'm going to pop in for like 30 seconds with each team, and I'm going to open some breakout rooms here. And